Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Excel file that contains the data and the PowerPoint presentation you'll update. Make sure both files are saved in a stable location so links don't break later. Next, select the exact range, chart, or table in Excel that you want to link. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Once done, switch to PowerPoint and choose the slide and placeholder where the linked object will live. Make this choice intentionally. Placement affects layout and future edits. Now you paste the copied Excel object as a link. Use Paste Special and select Paste Link so PowerPoint references the original workbook. Choose the Excel worksheet object type if you want an editable connection rather than a static picture. After inserting, resize and position the linked object. Hold Shift to keep proportions. Make sure to configure update behavior in the link dialog. Automatic updates pull changes instantly, while manual lets you control when slides refresh. Finish by testing the workflow. Change data in Excel and save, then open the PowerPoint slide to confirm the linked content updated. If links fail, use PowerPoint's Edit Links dialog to update, change source, or relink to the correct saved workbook. When you must share the deck with others who won't receive the Excel file, either package both files together or replace the link with an embedded snapshot to preserve appearance. One troubleshooting tip. Broken links most often stem from moved or renamed source files. Restore the original path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.